friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the Reef Finance. At this time, what's the price of Reef Finance coin? What's the price since okay this time in the Reef Finance coin? And what is the next move of Reef Finance coin? In this video, I will show you. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and update, friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the refinance coin in the market. 0.047935 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the refinance coin in the market. And on the other hand, if you look, the price changes occur in the refinance coin. So absolutely from the yesterday over fast start now in the refinance coin, the last one day price change is negative, last one day price change is negative, only the last 1 week, the previous last 7 day price change as positive. So what's the reason behind it and why the fast start in the refinance coin? Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding. As you can see here, if you look the currently condition of the refinance coin in the market, so currently they are also in the falling mode, friends. So what's the next move of Reef Finance coin? I think if we do a technical analysis, so as you can see here, and now let's suppose this is a support line and there is a support line, that is a resistance line. They continue a struggle between these two lines. As you can see here, take a fast down and now after fast take a jump and now again fast down. So now they fast down for a little time. When they after some fast they bounce with the support line and they take a jump, friends, again, friends. So now after that, if they break the resistance line, so that's mean that the big pump occur this time. And if you don't if they don't break this resistance line, so there's nothing jump occur in the refinance going over and over again fast occur in the refinance coin in the next frame. So anyways, if we talk about the price changes occur in the refinance, so negative 2.82% negative changes occur in the refinance coin, and the high price of the refinance as 0.052288 USD dollar is the highest price of the refinance coin and the last 1 day and the 24-hour, friends. So now I think that at this time the price of the refinance coin is negative, but very soon the price change become positive, friends. I know that the big jump after refinance are coming soon and this week. What's your prediction about refinance? My prediction is very positive. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech Channel for more this kind of news and updates.